A very warm welcome to one and all. Today, I Nitya Garg, along with my team 200 Success from Kamla Nehru Institute of Technology, Sultanpur, with team ID 41576, has come up with an idea to overcome the challenges encountered during disaster. We as a team has come up with an innovative solution to this problem, and that is Crisis Collab, a disaster coordinating app for a safer world. It is basically a user-friendly interface to ensure quick agencies registration and verification. It is more than just a technological innovation but a commitment to humanity. On the screen, you could see the prototype of our app with these as the onboarding pages of it. And these are the verification processes to ensure the registration of only government authenticated agencies only. Next up, we have the home screen, which consists of send alert and request assistance feature. The send alert basically notifies the agencies if the disaster is about to hit in that particular location, while the request assistance feature, as the name suggests, can request for assistance if they are in demand for more rescuing staff from other agencies as well. Next up, we have the agency profile. This accounts the monthly analytics of the agencies registered with us, and this is the resource inventory. So if in case a particular agencies run out of stock with any material or resources, they could simply request from other agencies. If approved, then their staff could visit the provided location and collect the material. Also, if in case there in the calamity affected area there occurs network issue, then the rescuing team could contact us. We would basically convey their request to other agencies and ask for quick assistance. So, to sum up, our app Crisis Collab is a lifeline during disaster. It actually empowers agencies to coordinate and collaborate. Thank you.